So I've been using the Step credit card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Step credit card. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Step credit card. One of the biggest advantages of the Step card is its lack of fees. There's no monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, or late fees, which makes it a very low-cost option for parents and teens alike. Teens can use the card anywhere Visa is accepted, and even make purchases online or in-store. A unique selling point of this card is that unlike most teen banking options, Step reports payment activity to credit bureaus, so every transaction made with the card contributes to establishing a credit history. This feature can be a great head start for young users who will need good credit scores when applying for loans in the future. Step also allows teens to use both the physical and the virtual card, which is handy if the physical card is lost or stolen, as the virtual card can still be used for online transactions. Step also offers savings features where teens can set financial goals within the app. However, it's important to note that deposits in these goals do not earn any interest, so if earning interest is a priority, this feature might fall short. Moreover, Step doesn't support some traditional banking features like mobile check deposits or bill payments, which could be limiting depending on your needs. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some cons to consider. For instance, while the card is free, there are still some cash deposit fees to consider. You can make deposits at stores like Walmart or Walgreens, but after the first two free deposits, each one costs $3.95. Another limitation is the balance and transaction limits, such as a $10,000 maximum account balance and a $1,000 daily purchase limit. While these limits are in place to reflect typical teen spending, they can be restrictive for some users. Overall, the Step card is a strong contender for parents looking to empower their teens with financial literacy and credit building without the burden of traditional credit card risks. But as always, do consider speaking with a financial advisor before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.